Hi dear students, how are you all? Hope all are keeping fine. Today we are moving to our next unit, Unit 9, Electronic Spreadsheet. Last class we have seen um, word processing softwares. As a word processing software, LibreOffice Writer we have seen, we have studied. So next one is spreadsheet softwares. The same continuation of LibreOffice package, that is LibreOffice Calc, just like MS Excel, that we are going to study. In this calc or spreadsheet softwares, data is categorized or classified as a tabular format. Tabular format means what? It's a form of a table. So table contains rows and columns. LibreOffice Calc is a powerful spreadsheet application that allows you to store, analyze and calculate data. It also allows you to visualize and represent data in various forms such as charts, tables, etc. It provides a wide variety of formulas and functions also to do some complex calculations. So let us start our session 1, Introduction to Spreadsheet. Most of the organizations use large quantities of data and the processing works. The spreadsheet software such as LibreOffice Calc, MS Excel help them to do this work very easily. Have you heard about presenting the budget and all, no? So this type of spreadsheet software will be very helpful for doing that works. So that's all about session 1. We are moving to session 2. Session 2, starting LibreOffice Calc. So in this session, we are going to learn how we can open and the different parts of the Calc window that we can see the help of a video. Okay. Session 2, starting LibreOffice Calc. Here, either you can select from the start menu. See the corner start, no? Corner start. Here click on the start and from here you can select LibreOffice. See Calc directly you can select. Otherwise, see I already installed here LibreOffice. Double click on it. And from here, a Calc spreadsheet is there. See, Calc spreadsheet. So it will be opened. Let us see the Calc window in detail. First one is the title bar. Here can you see the untitled one, LibreOffice Calc. That is the title bar, which will be changed after saving the Calc spreadsheet. Then window control buttons. See here the minimize, maximize or restore, close button. This is the Windows control buttons. The next one is the menu bar. File, edit, view, insert, format. These menus are displayed. This is called the menu bar. Standard toolbar. Just below the menu bar, standard toolbar is there, which consists of the tools for performing open, save, copy, cut and save these operations. Then below that, below the standard toolbar, this is a formatting bar, consists of tools for formatting the text. Then this one, see this is the name box. Name box which consists of the address of the active cell. See here the active cell is A1. See each one is a cell and when we click on it, this can be the active cell. If I click here, see the address of C10, it will be projected in the name box. It is written in the name box. This is the address of the cell that we selected as an active cell. Then input line. See here, this is the input line. If you type something on the active cell, it will be inputted here. See, it will be inputted here. This is the input line. And column headings, these A, B, C, D, these letters, can you see this? So these are the column headings. Okay, and here numbers are there. These are the row numbers. So rows are represented by numbers, where columns are represented by the letters. Then the next one is a cell. Cell, we already said each box is a cell. Active cell, where I clicked, the projected one is the active cell. Then vertical scroll bar, this is the vertical scroll bar. And horizontal scroll bar, if you move horizontally, horizontal scroll bar we can use. If you want to move vertically, the vertical scroll bar we can use. The navigation buttons and sheet tabs, here by default one sheet is there. This is a sheet box. We can add many sheets here, and this is the navigation. After moving to the next sheet, this will be, we can take it. Here by default only one sheet, and we didn't write anything, and we didn't use the next sheet. That is why it is not showing anything. Okay, this is the navigation buttons. Allows you to navigate from one worksheet to another in a workbook. Status bar is the this one, the information about the calc worksheet. And zoom controls, see, this is the zoom controls. If we want to project anything, see, like this, project anything, we can this is the zoom control. See, you can see very closely. Okay, each one, that is the zoom controls. Then the next one, sidebar, can you see here one bar here, and which indicates the displaying the panels such as properties. See, properties, styles and formatting, gallery, like that. If you want to take it easily from the sidebar, we can take it. That's the end of today's class. We'll see in detail in the next class. Thank you.